I don't hear any coal shoveling, do you? Hey guys, this is Norman over with SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to talk about our smart Firebox flicker lighting effect. Now, as you saw in the intro, we have the traditional Firebox flicker, which has the Firebox flicker at full brightness all the time. However, what our smart Firebox flicker lighting effect does is it actually ties the Firebox flicker lighting effect into the sound effects. So what will happen is it will actually be at a reduced brightness for most of its time on. However, when you hear the coal shoveling sound effect, it will actually brighten up because the Firebox door is open. Now, Smart Firebox effect is configured just like any other lighting effect. If we take a look at our chart from the user's guide here, what you'll see is that the Smart Firebox effect is a value of 14. Now, in this model, we are actually using LEDs. Using this chart, we'll take that value of 14 and we'll add 128 into it for LED compensation mode so that the decoder knows it's an LED. That gives us a value of 142, which we're going to go ahead and program into the respective CV. Now, on this locomotive, the one of my Firebox lights is tied to the headlight output, so we're going to use CV49. And we're going to set that to our 152 value. Now, also on this locomotive, I actually have a second Firebox light. And this is actually tied to the backup light output. So we're going to take CV50, and we're actually going to redo our value calculation, because one of the neat things we can do is that we can actually use our phase B effect to invert when the light is on versus off. So we can have the two Firebox LEDs sort of flickering on at different times. So we're going to add 32 to our value of 142 for a value of 174. And that's what we're going to set into CV50 right now. As you can see from this clip, the Firebox lights have now dimmed significantly. And now what's going to happen is the next time we hear the coal shoveling effect, those LEDs will brighten up to their previous brightness again. So I hope that's been interesting and informative for you. If you have any questions on this, be sure to give us a shout at support@soundtraxx.com. We're also available by phone 9 to 5:30 Mountain Time. That's going to be all for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to comment below if you have anything you'd want to see in the future.